Now, your Storm Track weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Miller.
We do have a clear sky across much of the area for this evening on into tonight as well, and the winds won't be quite as strong, but they are right now. So until that happens, we do have some really cold wind through the area this evening and into part of tonight. Even when the winds die down, the temperatures will be cold enough. It's still going to be unpleasantly cold overnight. Chilly sunshine for the daytime tomorrow. Obviously cold in the start of the day, but even as we go through the afternoon, not a big warm up, but I think it'll actually kind of feel nice with the light wind around. Heading into the weekend, we actually warm up a little bit. We could see a brief system Saturday night into Sunday morning with maybe a mixture of wintry weather on that time, and then another mix of rain and snow as we head into your Monday. Monday into maybe even Monday night. Let's look at Emporia. You can see some of the side roads there still with a pretty good amount of clearing on them. The sidewalks are a little clear as well. Everything seems to be moving along a lot better. We've seen a lot of improvement on the roads in Junction City over the last couple of hours even. And currently in Topeka, the sky is clearing out. The camera's still kind of shaking around in that breeze. Travel a lot easier this evening than what we had this morning, as temperatures right now have made it back down into the 17-degree range in the Topeka area with a feels like wind chill of 1. That's because the winds are still 20 miles per hour. Temperatures today in the afternoon hit 20 for a high. We're actually 21 as we hit midnight last night. Dropped down to 11 briefly this morning and started to warm back up to about 20. We've fallen back into the middle to upper teens. Right now 14 at Marysville, 13 at Hiawatha, 17 degrees right now at Council Grove. And the winds are brisk out of the northwest, 20 to 22 miles per hour around Topeka as well as at Concordia. And you factor that in together, and that's dropping the wind chill down into the low single digits above and even below zero at this hour. So it is cold out there. But the sky is clearing out, that cloud cover pushing away, and the whole storm system has rapidly moved off to the north and east. Some of those thunderstorms that were moving through last night were moving at 70 miles per hour. So they didn't take long. They're into Canada now. It's no longer even thunderstorms, but all that precipitation is lifted way to the north. Big warm up over the southeast ahead of this system, but behind it, the big cool down. And that's what we're dealing with this evening and into tonight with wind chills much of the evening and overnight ranging between about 0 and 10 below zero. Could be a little bit colder than that at times up north. And then we warm up by midday tomorrow, single digits in teens, and eventually wind chills into the 20s with air temperatures into the 20s and less wind for your Friday. But then a breeze kicks in Friday night into Saturday morning and another start with sub-zero wind chills. But it does look to stay primarily clear through the daytime tomorrow. Lots of sunshine on your Friday. Maybe a few more clouds, hit and miss. I think this will just be a partly cloudy sky around on Saturday. And then a system coming in Saturday night or Sunday morning could cause maybe a light wintry mix for some of the eastern counties. Quite honestly, it's looking a little less impressive as it gets a little bit closer. But for this evening, just clear and cold. Temperatures falling out of the teens overnight into the single digits. We'll eventually dip down to a morning temperature tomorrow around 2 and then make it back to 26. 38 on Saturday. About 20% chance of some light snow showers or a wintry mix in the morning on Sunday with a high of 38. A little better chance for precipitation Monday into Monday night. And then we'll clear out again heading into the middle of next week and stay chilly with highs in the upper 30s and lower 40s for a good portion of next week. Here's a look at some of the icy waters on the edge of that pond there in Shawnee County from Leonard and Irene Cardwell. And with a little bit of that sleet covering on the ground, trying to melt away, even though it's below freezing from Lori Martinson and Hiawatha. And that's called rubbing it in. This is Linda Money of Fairview. She's down in Key West and heard that it was a little chilly up this way. Decided to send us a little bit of a warmer picture there.
Yeah, I was going to say when I saw that, I was like, that is not in Kansas.
Yeah, Brown County is not that warm right now.
Palm trees hard to find around here,
Yeah.
for sure.